Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. We're really glad you're here. Today's video is another cooking video. This is actually one of my personal favorites. It's something that we enjoy year-round, but we really love to have in the summer. It's an easy, hopefully a healthy alternative to a beef burger. They're ranch chicken burgers, so I hope you enjoy this one. As always, the recipe is listed below. And like and comment, and have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. Bye. Today we're going to make ranch chicken burgers. And the list of ingredients you'll need are very simple. Just a pound of ground chicken, some dried minced onion, some garlic powder, 2 kinds of breadcrumbs, Italian and panko, and some ranch seasoning. You can make your own. I've got a recipe and I'll link it below. You can use some from a packet or some from a big jar from Sam's or Costco. It also calls for seasoned salt. I do not use that, but you can feel free to add it. And as always, the recipe link is provided below. So let's mix up and grill some ranch chicken burgers. The recipe does not call for it, but I think everything needs salt and pepper, so I'm going to add a little. I've added the ground chicken. There is one thing about this recipe. I have tried it with turkey. We do not like it nearly as much with turkey. I'm not real sure why, but we always make this with ground chicken. And I am going to get in here and get my hands dirty. It's just too hard to do with a spoon, and God gave me these for a reason. And yes, I made one a little bit smaller. That one's for me. These are for Tim. Go ahead and grill them however you like to grill, inside, outside, in a skillet, cast iron, on a griddler, outdoor charcoal, outdoor gas, and grill till done. Tim puts them on the grill on high for about 5 minutes and then flips them, and another 5 minutes. Tim's new grill is smoking. It's over almost 700 degrees. So we cook them till they're well done and serve them with your favorite toppings. I'll show you our plate, and those are our ranch chicken burgers. Thanks so much for stopping by Let's Cook, y'all. I hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Have a blessed day, y'all. Bye. Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're showing a fun alternative. Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a fun and different alternative to a traditional beef burger. We've got some flippin' delicious ranch chicken burgers. Stick around.